Hello friends, let's start to make some rose water with us. For that we will need some fresh organic roses. We have a white one here, but honestly red one will be even better. Rose water have some amazing skin benefits and it will make your skin tone more even. It will help out a little bit if you have acne prone skin and all of the other stuff. Also for me personally, I have rosacea, and after my pregnancy my skin just went really bad. So I've been trying so hard to find a solution, but nothing really works so well. I've been trying this rose water now for a while and it helps a lot. Also, I will leave a pro tip at the end that will boost rose water. You can get maximum benefit of it with this one little thing added. You will need just a little bit of roses, not too much, since it can go bad pretty fast if you don't add any alcohol. It will last for a week, few weeks, but if you add alcohol it can last even for a few months, and you can store it in the fridge after you make it. Just don't forget to put it back to the fridge every time you use it. It's extremely simple to make it. You just need regular pan. You might need some ice cubes, but it's optional. You will need a little bit of distilled water, and yes, it's extremely important that you add distilled water, not a regular one, because it will make the whole thing go bad. I have a little helper out here, so as soon as we pick up roses, my little helper decided to throw them all away. But it's all good here, we pick more roses. I don't know about you guys, but lately I've been obsessed with all the natural things you can make at home. You can literally make your own pillows, you can make your herbal teas and different things, and you can help yourself and your family, and you don't need like nothing too crazy for that. So here we're just adding as much of those roses as we want, and now we are starting to add some distilled water, just enough to cover the roses. The glass jar in the middle is optional. I will add some ice cube. So you will put the rose water on a stove top and bring it to the boil and simmer it on a low setting for about 10 minutes. You will see when it starts to change and when it's the best time to stop it. Make sure that you let it cool down before you start going further. Now it's time to drain rose water. After we drain it, you will find a spray bottle or somewhere else where you want to store it. I like spray bottle because it's so easy to spray it all over your face and you don't need to look every time for cotton pads, but you can literally put it in a regular cup or anywhere else. Ta-da! It's ready! Let's try it out! Oh my, I literally can't get enough of this amazing feeling of freshness on my face after this rose water. Okay guys, enjoy the pro tip and don't forget to subscribe and follow me for more. So a quick note, if you want to make this thing even stronger, just add licorice root and it's gonna be way more effective.